Now, during the recent past, some new household activities like soap manufacturing, doll making, mushroom activities, that is mushroom cultivation, beehiving, all these have also become alternative sources of income generation for the farmers in the rural areas. Yes, even the women have formed farm women's groups like SHGs. They have given an example of Tanba. Just go through this and also go through the information technology, IT as an option of livelihood in the rural areas. How the rural areas are also taking advantage of the IT sector. Now after this we come to organic farming and the sustainable development. Yes, organic farming everyone has heard of. It is a system of farming that relies upon the use of organic inputs for cultivation. Animal manures and the compost are the basic organic inputs. Yes, it discards what? What are the advantages? It discards the use of chemical inputs, chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides. But it needs to be noted that simply discarding the use of chemical fertilizers is not organic farming. So it is also a system of replenishing the health of the soil, maintaining the soil health. Yes. So now coming to why organic farming. Why should we go in for organic farming? It discards the use of non-renewable resources. Yes, non-renewable resources are those which cannot be renewed, like petroleum and the byproducts. And everyone knows fertilizers, they are synthetic fertilizers, and they use a chemical which is petroleum based. So because we know that petroleum is one of the non-renewable resources, so instead of using more of if we are stopping using of the chemical fertilizers, it means we are saving upon the petrol. So we all know that petroleum is a non-renewable resource. Then environment friendly, organic farming is environment friendly. Chemical fertilizers on the other hand pollute the groundwater by raising its nitrate content. So nitrates are a health hazard and pollute the environment also. Organic farming in disguise discards the use of chemical fertilizers. It sustains the soil fertility. Use of animal manure and compost helps sustain soil fertility. Yes, which is good for the coming generations. That is, the coming generations will be able to use the land. Yes, if the land is full of fertilizers now, then the coming generations, for them the land will become, it might not be of any use for cultivation. Then healthier and tastier food. Organic farming offers healthier and tastier food and compared with the conventional farming. So recent studies have found that organically grown food is more nutritious, yes, as compared to the chemically grown. So existing trends indicate that demand for organic food is trending up even when high prices, they charge a higher price for it. But because of the health benefits, people have started preferring the organic items. Then inexpensive technology for the small and marginal farmers. Yes, the conventional farming, which is using more of fertilizers, so the poor farmers have to spend so much on purchasing the fertilizers from outside. But organic farming, because this uses the manures and the cow dung and the compost, so which is available to the farmers easily in the villages, so they don't have to spend much on the fertilizers. So conventional technology is it includes HYVCs, fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides. Besides good irrigation facilities, all these are involved in the conventional or that which is using fertilizers. Yes, but if the farmer is going in for organic farming, he doesn't have to go in for all this. Then a few drawbacks are there. Yes, one drawback is the yield is not much from organic farming as compared to the conventional farming, which uses fertilizers. Yes, and on the other hand, although they have not given it here, the shelf life of the organically grown food is very less as compared to the conventionally grown, that is the ones which are using fertilizers. So they last longer as compared to the organically grown foods. And moreover, if you have ever had any organically grown vegetable or fruits, you'll see that they are not as good looking, to say. That is, they will be having organically grown fruits and vegetables will be having blemishes, yes, and spots, yes, because they have not used any fertilizers. So they show the natural texture. So one may not like the color, the shape and the color, but they are much healthier for sure. Yes, thank you.